Hello friends, today's topic is how to find out the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when dielectric of a suitable thickness is placed in it. So let us see this. For that, so this is our topic which I am writing, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when dielectric is placed. So this dielectric must have some suitable thickness. So for that, let us consider two plates, plate 1 and plate 2. Let the plate 1 is positively charged and plate 2 is negatively charged, and sigma is the surface charge density. Okay, so sigma is the surface charge density and A is the area of plate. So area of cross section of each plate. Due to this, V let is the potential as long as the charge produces on it. Now these two plates we have placed it at a distance of D, and in between we are keeping a dielectric slab. So this is a dielectric slab and let its thickness is T. So the thickness of the dielectric slab is T. So if you go through here, due to the plates, the direction of the electric field when there is no dielectric is E naught. So E naught is the electric field when no dielectric is present. Now the gap which is there between the plates and the dielectric, due to this there is an induction phenomena which takes place. Due to induction, what happens? The minus charge develops on the left side of the dielectric and plus charge develops on the right side of the dielectric. So due to this, there is a electric field induced in the direction opposite to the E naught, and let me mark this as EI. Okay, so EI is the induced electric field which is produced in the dielectric. So this is induced electric field and this is electric field with no dielectric. Now as we know that from the figure, the electric field which is there due to the plates when no dielectric is present is greater than the induced electric field, Therefore, the net electric field which is obtained will be E naught minus EI. Okay, so the net electric field, so what will be the direction of the net electric field? The direction of the net electric field will be in the direction of the E naught. Why? Because E naught is greater than the EI. So this is what all about the explanation of the diagram to find out the capacitance. Okay, so what to find? Capacitance. C is the symbol which is to be calculated when dielectric is placed. Now let me see its solution. So for that, what we are doing, since the electric field and the potential they are related by the relation E equals to V upon D. Okay, so using this concept, let me calculate how much is the potential when no dielectric is there, means air is filled, and when we place the dielectric. Okay, so this middle one is the dielectric. This dielectric can be a sheet of mica, can be sheet of plastic, So using this, what will be the potential when there is no dielectric? The answer is E naught into D. This is your equation number 2. Write down in the bracket when no dielectric is there. This is the potential which is produced when no dielectric is there. If dielectric is placed, now if dielectric is inserted, then the value of the potential will be, now the value of potential depends on two parameters. One, the electric field of the which is induced in the dielectric, and second, the plates and the gap which is there between this. So the answer will be potential when dielectric is inserted is equals to E into T plus E naught into D minus T. So what is this D minus T? If you see here, the D minus T is the distance, correct? If this is the dielectric, this is D and this is T. So if you remove this T part, if you remove this T part, the area, the part which is left, this one is D minus T. So this is the equation number 3. So here you can remember that this is the potential which is produced when dielectric is inserted, and the equation 2 represents when no dielectric is there. Now we have to use the relation Q equals to CV. Using this, now calculate the capacitance C naught, and this C naught can be written as Q upon V naught when no dielectric is there. Similarly, capacitance when dielectric is inserted will be Q upon V. So using this, let me mark this as equation 4. Divide the equation. Okay, so divide these two equations. What we will get it? Therefore, C upon C naught is equals to. So when you divide this C by C naught, you will get it Q upon V into Q into V naught. So this Q get cancelled charge. Therefore, C upon C naught is equals to V naught upon V. This is your equation 5. Now put the values of V naught and V from equation 2 and 3 in equation 5. So when you place the value of V naught and V from equation 2 and equation 3, the C upon C naught is equals to, so first V naught, this becomes E naught D upon the second one E into T plus E naught bracket D minus T. So this is your equation number 6. Now from the denominator, since we have to calculate the C, and C naught is the capacitance when no dielectric is there, so we will use this formula directly and calculate the value of C. So therefore C is equals to C naught E naught D upon, now from the denominator take it out the E naught common. When you take it out the E naught common, you will get the term, first one as E upon E naught into T plus, since E naught is out, so there will be no term left, only the D minus T will be there. This is your equation number 7. Cancel the E naught, and after cancelling, when you will find it, then you will get it that C is equals to C naught D upon E naught T plus D minus T. Correct? So this is your equation 8 which is left. Now since C naught is equals to A epsilon naught upon T, this is when no dielectric is there. So this relation is to be used, and put this value in equation 8. Therefore C is equals to A epsilon naught D upon D. So this is A epsilon naught upon D is the C naught, and D already it is present, and this is equals to, okay, so this is the numerator E upon E naught times into, that is T plus D minus T. So this D get cancelled, hence therefore what you will get it, you will get C is equals to A epsilon naught upon E naught T plus D minus T. So this is your expression in terms of electric field, correct, when dielectric and no dielectric is there. But as we know that the ratio of E upon E naught, the ratio of, but since, so what you will write it here, since E upon E naught is equals to 1 upon K. What is K? K is known as the dielectric constant. K is the dielectric constant. Therefore, replace this value. Therefore, C is equals to A epsilon naught upon T upon K plus D minus T. This is the capacitance formula for the parallel plate capacitor when dielectric is placed. Or we can write it in the simplest way, or in some of the books you will find it Ka epsilon naught upon T plus K times of D minus T. You can remember also this formula. Correct? So if the thickness is same as the distance between the plates, then in that condition the capacitance becomes Ka epsilon naught upon, so D minus T, this get cancelled due to T equals to D, and this becomes D. This is the formula when, this is the simplest formula which you have to remember when dielectric is placed. Okay, so this is how you have to remember this derivation. Thank you.